Hey boys and girls, remember how we learned about multiple meaning words? So a word that has more than one meaning, multiple. And some of them were homographs. Graph means writing, homo means same, so they have the same writing, same spelling, but different meanings. Like rat, there's a rat, or there's a rat in my hair. Same spelling, different meanings. Then the other one we worked on was homophone. Phones have sound, so they sound the same, but they might be spelled different. A good example of that would be male and male. Like, I got this paper in the mail today, or I'm a female. The opposite would be a male. M-A-L-E, boy, male, and M-A-I-L, like a piece of mail. All right, so we're going to do some practice with multiple meaning words, where I'm going to give you two sentences, and then you have to pick from the word options which word would make sense in both sentences. Not just one, both. Two sentences. I'm good at math. So I'll kind of walk you through this one, and then the rest you'll do without so much help. First, I like to read the options just so I know what they are. The first option is the word boat. The second option is teach, and the last one is train. All right, so let's try putting boat into both of these sentences. When you get a new puppy, you should boat them to sit. Well, that doesn't make any sense. It's probably not going to be boat. I'm going to cross that off. Beep. All right, teach. When you get a new puppy, you should teach them to sit. Yes, that makes sense. I'm going to circle that one. No. First, you need to try it in the second sentence and make sure that makes sense. Sam had to choose if she would travel by plane, teach, or car. That doesn't make sense. Let's try the last one. Since that doesn't make sense, I'm going to cross it off. Train. When you get a new puppy, you should train them to sit. Sam had to choose if she would travel by train or car. That makes sense. Train is a homograph. It's spelled the same, but one means like you're training to do something, you're teaching somebody, and the other train is like a big locomotive, like a transportation. So C is the answer to this one. Let's do another one without so much help. All right, first make sure you know all three of these words. Can you read them in your head? All right, now read the sentences and put each of those words in the sentence. So I'll help a little with this one. I like to eat a dinner with my Thanksgiving meal. The dog did not know how to over. If roll made sense, and that would be the answer. If it doesn't, then you need to go on to climb and bread. So which one do you think is the answer? A, B, or C? A dinner roll, something you eat, and the dog did not know how to roll over, which is something that you do. So one is a noun, something you can hold, and one is a verb, something you can do. All right, next one. All right, go ahead and read the options and figure out which sentence it goes in. Pause me, and then when you think you know the answer, unpause so you can check your work. And the answer is mean. C. What did you mean when you said you were leaving? And the bully is always really mean to other kids. Both spelled the same way. Since it's same spelling, it's a homograph. All right, let's do another one. Okay, do it completely by yourself. Pause me and unpause me when you think you know the answer. Ready, steady, pause. Did you unpause me? Did you pause me and then unpause me? Because that's what you're supposed to do. All right. A, B, or C? The answer is B, sink. My mom cleaned out the sink after she peeled potatoes. And in 1912, no one thought the Titanic could sink, like go down in the water. All right. So that's all for your review today. None of this was new. It's all review. And you will find that on your test. So after you do this and you do your other review through your Kahoot, then you are ready to take your multiple meaning and cause and effect test. Do your best, guys, and make sure that you double check that you've answered every question on all 3 pages before you turn it in.